Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to send money from your Payoneer account to Gcash. First, open your Gcash app and make sure your account is fully verified with KYC. From the home screen, tap Cash In, then scroll down and select Global Partners and Remittance. Here, choose Payoneer and enter your Payoneer account details to connect it to your Gcash account. Next, go to your Payoneer account. If you have a USD balance, click on the three dots next to USD, then select Receiving Accounts. From here, connect your Payoneer account to Gcash. Now, back in Gcash, when you use the Cash In option via Payoneer, choose the currency you want to convert, USD or EUR, if available. The amount will be automatically converted to Filipino pesos, and the money will appear in your Gcash account. And that's it. That's how you send money from Payoneer to Gcash.